In this video, we will learn how to evaluate a given variable expression. Alright, and here we will basically do what we call substitution and using the order of operation rules. Alright, so number one, the expression given, as you can see, is d minus a, quantity squared, minus 3c. A is negative 2, C is negative 1, and D is 3. So we will start by simple, just quick substitution. So parentheses D is 3 minus, be careful here, subtract negative 2. So it will look like this, whole thing squared, minus 3 times C is negative 1. So this is the given variable expression with the variables replaced by the given values. And now I hope you can see this problem is now nothing more than the order of operation. So we have to do what's in the parentheses first. So subtract negative 2 is 3 plus 2. Okay. And that should be 5 squared. Subtract 3 times negative 1. And that should give me 25, subtract negative 3, because 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and that should give me 25 plus 3, and the answer is 28. Alright. Okay, next problem. The given values are fractions. So the number one was just basic integers. Okay, so as you can see, this will get a little bit ugly. Alright, so first let's do a quick substitution. So this is going to give me, so if I substitute, hang on, let me draw a line here. So okay, so x over 5, so I have a 5 over 6, that's my x, over y is 1/3. Subtract z is negative 3/4, and all that is squared. Okay, all right, so let's take care of the exponent first. So that should give me 5 over 6 over 1/3. Subtract, if you square the negative 3/4, it should become positive, but that subtraction will still remain. Okay, the subtraction that I just wrote, that's still going to be there. And you square 3, you get 9 over 16. 16 is 4 squared. All right, so now we'll do the fraction division. So 5 over 6 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3 over 1. Subtract 9 over 16. So here that will cancel out, giving me 5 over 2 minus 9 over 16. And my LCD should be 16 here. And 2 times 8 is 16, so 5 times 8 is 40. And what I have here is 40 minus 9 is 31 over 16. And that should be, I'm just going to write this as a mixed fraction, 1 and 15 over 31. Either one is correct answer. All right. Oops, I'm sorry, that's not 31, that should be 16. 1 and 15 over 16. All right. Yeah, the denominator does not change. Okay, and the final, number 3. Number 3 deals with decimals. Okay. All right, here b squared, and b is given as a negative 0.2, so be very careful how you write this. First, I'm going to write this in a wrong way. A lot of times people would write it this way, and that is incorrect. That is incorrect because what you have just written, or what I just wrote, is 0.2 squared and the negative of that, okay, which is different than negative 0.2 quantity squared. So the correct way to do is you got to throw that parentheses. Minus 4, a is negative 3, and c is 0.6. Okay, so that's the straight substitution. And that should give me, if you square negative 0.2, become positive 0.04, subtract, and I'm just going to multiply these three numbers straight out. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12 times 0.6. So that's going to be 0.04. Subtract negative 12 times 0.6 is a negative 7.2, which should give me 0.04 plus 7.2. So our final answer should be 7.24. All right. So that's it for this video.